Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You have the essentials, editor and browser. Open your project folder and create index. HTML styles, CSS and script, JS right away. Once done, launch a live server so every save reloads the page. This saves time and reveals errors fast. Now scaffold index. HTML with doc type, HTML, head and body sections, link styles, CSS in head and script, JS at the end of body. These first actionable steps get you from 0 to a working page you can edit and test. You'll now structure and style the page. Start by writing semantic HTML sections, header, nav, main, and footer, so content is meaningful and searchable. Then craft a responsive layout using CSS grid for the main template and flexbox for components. Set breakpoints at common widths like 768px and 1024px. Make elements accessible by adding alt text, area labels, and proper roles. Finally, keep styles modular, base, layout, components. This makes maintenance easier as your page grows. Finish by adding behavior. Attach event listeners, manipulate the DOM, and use the Fetch API for remote data. Once interactions work locally, test across browsers and devices, optimize images, and minify CSS and JS to improve load time. When ready, commit to Git and deploy on GitHub Pages or Netlify. These services serve static sites quickly. If something breaks, check the browser console first. Network errors, uncaught exceptions, and missing file paths are the most common issues to fix immediately.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.